everyone, I am Charu from Skilled Inspirational Academy. So, we are going to start F5 Advanced WAF or F5 ASM live training from tomorrow, that is 16th of June. This will be a morning weekend batch. The classes will be on Saturday and Sunday, and the timing will be 10 to 12:30 pm, that is 10 am to 12:30 pm. So here I am presenting the course content of the batch in front of you all. So starting with the course highlights. So here we go. The course highlights. The course will contain hands-on exposure with diverse vulnerabilities, real-life scenarios for practical understanding, certified and expert instructions, live interview support. So here is the overview of full course. We will start with Big IP ASM course is an opportunity to enhance your skills to manage web-based and XML application attacks and to use application security manager to defend against these attacks. Big IP Application Security Manager course will also help you to learn about building security policies, utilizing traffic learning, deploying Application Security Manager with various applications, and testing using realistic website traffic. Big IP ASM training includes lecture, hands-on lab, and discussion about the different ASM components to detect and mitigate threats from multiple attack vectors such web scraping, layer 7 denial of service, brute force, code injection, and zero-day exploits. So why ASM certification training? It means it will cover that why you should do the F5 ASM or F5 advanced certification training. So here we go. The F5 ASM certification course focuses and foresting individuals' professional development through a high quality, credible technology certification. This course will not only prepare you to earn the certification but also provide a competitive advantage in the marketplace over non certified professionals. After being certified, you will be able to determine and implement an appropriate application specific big IP ASM deployment model or architecture. You will be able to create a big IP ASM configuration design to secure applications according to needs and requirements. You will be able to customize a big IPASM policy for a web application. You will be able to identify where to integrate big IPASM into the data flow by understanding the relation between big IPASM and the network architecture. F5 ASM certification is a validation of all your update knowledge on operating big IP application security manager and therefore improves your chances of being employed with a better salary. So, who will be the target audience for F5 Advanced WAF? So, this course is suitable for security and network administrators who will be responsible for the installation, deployment, tuning, and day to day maintenance of the application security manager. So, here is the exam information of F5 Advanced WAF or F5 ASM. The exam title will be 303 Big IP ASM Specialist. The cost will be $185. So here are the course agenda of F5 Advanced WAF. First one is Big IP System and TMOS Architecture and Application Traffic Flow and Initial Setup LTM Components F5 ASM Components. Next, HTTP Header and Explanation of OWASP Top 10. Next will be way to deploy initial security policy on ASM. The next will be tuning of your policy Next, attack signatures. Next will be approach towards building a positive security policy. The next will be reporting and logging functionalities of ASM, static and dynamic parameter handling. The next will be comparing security policies, ASM deployment types. Next will be process of automatic policy building and integration of AWASM. Next will be use of layered policies and enforced login enforcement. And the last but not the least, troubleshooting ASM, that is WAF related issues. So here are all the modules that we'll be covering in this training. The first module is setting up the big IP system. This module will cover introducing the big IP system, initially setting up the big IP system, and archiving the big IP system configuration. Module 2 will cover traffic processing with big IP, that contains identifying big IP traffic processing objects, overview of network packet flow, understanding profiles, overview of local traffic policies, visualizing the HTTP request flow. The next will be web applications concepts. This module will cover overview of web application request processing, web application firewall, that is layer 7 protection, ASM layer 7 security checks, overview of web communication elements, overview of the HTTP request structure, examining HTTP responses, how ASM praises file types, URLs, and parameters, and using the Fiddler HTTP proxy. So here is module number 4, that is of common web application vulnerabilities. This module will cover what elements of application delivery are targeted and common exploits against web applications. Here is the module number 5, that is of security policy deployment. This module will cover defining learning, comparing positive and negative security models, the deployment workflow, policy type, how will the policy be applied, policy template, determine the policy of protection, and automatic or manual policy building, assigning policy to virtual server, deployment workflow, that is using advanced settings, selecting the enforcement mode, the importance of application language, configure server technologies, verify attacks, signature staging, viewing requests, security checks offered by rapid deployment, defining attack signatures, and using data guard to check responses. So here is the module number 6, that is policy tuning and violations. So this module will be covering post deployment traffic processing, defining violations, defining false positives, how violations are categorized, violation rating, that is a threat scale, defining staging and enforcement, defining enforcement mode, defining the enforcement readiness period, reviewing the definition of learning, defining learning suggestions, choosing automatic or manual learning, defining the learn, alarm, and block settings, interpreting the enforcement readiness summary. So here we go with the module number 7, that is of attack signatures. This module will cover defining attack signature basics, creating user-defined attack signatures, defining simple and advanced edit modes, defining attack signature sets, defining attack signature pools, understanding attack signatures and staging, and updating attack signatures. Here we go with module number 8, that is positive security policy building. This module will cover defining and learning security policy components, choosing the learning scheme, how to learn never, wildcard only, how to learn always and selective, reviewing the enforcement readiness period, that is entities, viewing learning suggestion and staging status, violation without learning suggestions, defining the learning scores, defining trusted and untrusted IP address, and next one is how to learn compact. So here we go with module number 9, that is of cookies and other headers. This module will cover ASM cookies, that includes what to enforce, defining allowed and enforced cookies, configuring security processing on HTTP headers. Here is our module number 10, that is of reporting and logging. This module will cover overview, big picture data, reporting, build your own view, reporting chart based on filters, brute force and web scraping statistics, viewing ASM resource reports, PCI compliance, that is PCI DSS 3.0, the attack expert system, viewing traffic learning graphs, local logging facilities and destinations, how to enable local logging of security events, viewing logs in the configuration utility, logging profiles, that is build what you need, and configuring response logging. Here is our module number 11, that is of advanced parameter handling. This module will cover defining parameter types, static parameters, dynamic parameters, and parameter levels. Module number 12, policy differentiation and administration. Comparing security policies with policy differentiation, merging security policies, editing and exporting security policies, restoring with policy history, examples of ASM deployment types. Here we go with our module number 13, that is using application ready templates. So in this, application templates pre-configured baseline security. Module number 14, automatic policy building. This module will cover overview of automatic policy building, defining templates which automate learning, defining policy loosening and policy tightening. Here is module number 15, web application vulnerability scanner integration. Integrating scanner output to ASM, importing vulnerabilities, resolving vulnerabilities. Here is module number 16 and module number 17. Module number 16 is of layered policy that will cover defining a parent policy, defining inheritance, parent policy deployment using cases. Module number 17 is of logging enforcement, brute force mitigation, and session tracking. This module will cover defining login pages, configuring automatic detection of login pages, defining session tracking, what are brute force attacks, brute force protection configuration, defining source based protection, source based brute force mitigations, and defining session tracking. Here is our module number 18, which is of web scraping mitigation and geolocation enforcement. This module will cover defining web scraping, mitigation web scraping, defining geolocation enforcement, configuring IP address exceptions. So, last but not the least module, module number 19. This module is of Layer 7 DOS mitigation and advanced boot protection, defining denial of service attacks, the general flow of DOS protection, defining the DOS profile, create a DOS logging profile, defining DOS profile general settings, defining board signatures, defining proactive board defense. So here these all are the modules that we'll be covering in our live training that is starting from tomorrow, that is 16th of June. So if you want to enroll, just go and check out our info or bio and call on the given numbers. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.